And this video is for the CWM stainless steel pot filler. This is what you get in the box. Right here you get your directions. Tells you all the directions on how to connect this and what comes in here. So you've got your trim kit right here. This will go on the wall. You've got your wall mount kit and then a ring, like a beauty ring that goes around. You also get some screws and some anchors as well. Here's the valve itself, super heavy duty. Has double valves, so you got your first one that will go next to the wall, and then you've got your second one right here. Looks like it has a removable screen, so you can take that out and clean that, but extends pretty far out. Let me just hold this up and what this might look like. This is actually going to adjust. We're just going to flip this around this way, like this. If you want to mount it right here on the right side or the left, this is what it looks like. So here's a comparison to another pot filler right here, and this is the other one, CWM version, but super heavy duty. Will look great after you install it, and that's what it looks like. Make sure you have a water supply line behind your wall, obviously, especially if you have a brick. But there you go.